degenerative condition of the spine. The intervertebral disc acts as a genuine shock absorber. Aging makes it less efficient, leading to spondylosis. Posterior herniation tends to produce compression of the spinal cord, and lateral bulging produces inflammation and compression of nerve roots. Ayurvedic drugs with anti-inflammatory and analgesic properties gets absorbed by the body. They can act on a cellular level. Thus, they can stabilize the muscles and organs. Moreover, those effective remedies can reduce stiffness, increase blood. The best methodology is administration of drugs in Basti. It has faster absorption and provides fast. Basti Karma reverses the effect of degeneration by enhancing immunity. Ayurveda cares the herniated disc and supports the spine as a whole by supporting the herniated disc so it does not bulge. Basti Karma is also very effective in curing ankylosing spondylitis, scoliosis, lordosis and kyphosis. Ayurveda is a sacred solution for effective treatment.